With the spread of COVID-19, the world has acclimated to a new normal. We avoid crowds, we avoid enclosed spaces, and we demand more from the air we breathe.
ダイキンは得意とする省エネ技術、これを取り入れた製品作りに加えまして、感染症対策として安心安全かつ健康な空気環境の提供を目指しております。
In the war against an invisible airborne virus, how is the world's leading air conditioning company planning its counterattack? The world is learning to live with the coronavirus. In Singapore, the authorities are shifting to a less stringent coronavirus policy.
Reality is that with the arrival of Delta and the Omicron variants, it is practically impossible to stop coronavirus anymore in the world. So we need to look at strategies to coexist with the coronavirus.
But as restrictions are relaxed, the virus continues to transform. In addition to hand washing and mask wearing, ventilation is considered an effective method for reducing viral transmission.
When we look at air ventilation, it's all about how the airflow is able to dilute the concentration of coronavirus particles. So when I enter a space that is well ventilated, the chance that I will breathe in the coronavirus particle is actually much lower compared to a space where there is very poor ventilation.
With increased vaccination, commercial and office buildings are slowly returning to normal. But without proper ventilation, a significant risk of transmission remains.
So some of the things we do recommend include better, higher rate of ventilation during the office hours. And then after office hours, we recommend purging of the air to clear out all the air with the building. Probably in future, when we design buildings, will give us more greater natural ventilation as such, greater amount of ventilation.
Spaces for human activity require fresh air. However, opening the window introduces uncomfortably hot and humid outside air, which contains harmful pollutants such as PM2.5.
PM2.5 だとか、この COVID-19 の問題でですね、お使いになるお客様の人体に対する影響っていう問題がですね、まず一つあると思います。これはリフレッシュのエアーを熱交換器を通してですね入れることによって湿度およびですね外気っていうものがそのまま入り部屋の中のですね湿潤環境っていうものも整えながらですね快適を損なわずにですね換気もできるというような機器構成内部になっております。住宅用からですねビル用まで用途に応じてですね換気ができるシリーズっていうものの展開を現在揃えております。これは国内だけではなくてですね特にアジア地域の方にもですね非常に湿潤環境というのは効果があるのではないかというふうに思いますのでグローバルのですねエネルギー環境にとっても非常にメリットがあるものではないかなというふうに思っています。
Beyond its physical products, Daikin offers air quality solutions for entire buildings using its RARI system.
RARI is a product that are able to be remotely through a Wi-Fi, knowing the status of the aircon. We also have a RARI indoor air quality sensor that is able to detect the carbon dioxide level in that room and thereby sending command in the future to control to achieve an optimum condition for that particular room.
Daikin's air conditioning technologies deliver more than comfort. They provide improvements to people's health.
省エネ技術を使いながら換気をするということが一つと、空気清浄技術、これとの組み合わせですね。これで安心安全かつ快適な空気、これを追求していると、空気で答えを出す会社ということで、ダイキンが取り組んでいかなければならないことだというふうに考えています。
Today's advances in air conditioning technology pave the way for a better life tomorrow.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.